missing. I think that it's time that I finally come messing around.
Oh yeah, I got these two moulds, little, like, I don't know what you call them, snowdrops and crispy seeds stuff. Okay, I don't know if I've got enough resin to finish all this off. I've got blue from Sigmon, magical purple, magical blue and purple, all from Sigmon. And I'm basically just going to put some on my brush, and I'm going to do this one again. I want to see how it looks with this. I don't know if it will work because you can't sort of like splush it in as such. As you can hear, my glove is really sticky. Okay, I'm going to do the same on this one as well. Oops, helps if I actually get some on there. And again. Right. Then the blue. I do like this technique, as long as it works. A little bit too much in that one. Got nothing in that one. Right, okay. That's that one. And then this is magical purple. Okay, that's magical purple. This one is magical blue. They got like a tint to them, so that's why they're called the magical ones. And then I am just going to basically, oopsie, you dropped me stir stick in there. No bubbles. Yeah. Alright, these are all nice and dry. Let's have a look, see what they look like. They might look absolute pants. Let's see even if I can even start it off. God blimey, where do I start? Ah, there, I think. That's one. Cool. Oh, it's fiddly. Fiddly, fiddly. Sorry, I'm going off camera. Another one. Oh, chucked a bit off. Aha, and we're on a roll. No, we're not. We stopped. We stalled. No, we're on a roll. Oh. Oh. Oh, I like that. That's quite pretty, isn't it? And it's got the hole somewhere. Is it that one? I don't know. I think it's meant to be that one. Or is it that one? No, it's that one. That must be a bubble. There's a hole there, so you can put the string through and hang it up. But I think that's really pretty. Not worked out how I wanted it to work, but that was an experiment. That's that one. Oh, I can feel a bit of a over. Oh, it's fine. Look, just peels off that overpour. So that's that one. And then we've got the pain of my life. This was a pain. This one just overflowed left, right and centre. I just don't understand why all of a sudden it's so bent. Okay, take them off. It probably looked the same near enough as that one I've just done. Okay, are you ready? Oh, that was pretty as well. I think they might be prettier with a maybe black or white background. Black background, I think, don't you? So what I might do is just get something and colour, or yeah, because that's just going to roll off there. It's just going to roll off that bit, because that bit's the one that's just gone misshaped for some reason. But I do like it. I do like that. And I do like that. But that won't be completely black either. I think that one I'd leave as it is. Don't think it would look right if I put a black background to it. Let me just get, I'm just going to get my acrylic black. Let's try it with this one. So I am going to go just to that bit there where you can see it, because I just want to see how good it looks. I've got some proper black paint. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? I like that. And then just that V. Don't know if you can hear the madam gobble up downstairs. Having a bit of a bark for some reason. Just that little bit. That does look nice, doesn't it? I do like that. I do like that. It's weird how that bit's on there. Or is it not meant to be there, is it? That bit's not meant to be there. I don't think so. I'm trying to work out yet again where to sell my stuff. Don't know which. I just don't know which way to turn. I've heard a lot of bad things about Etsy. Shopify has just been driving me up the bleating wall. Because as soon as I get one page looking good, I go to add different bits and pieces and it just mucks it all up, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Doing it all myself, so it makes it harder. So I don't know what to do, but I need to start selling my stuff if I can. That's if you lot want it. You lot might not even want it. Right, that's that done. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? I like that. I like that a lot. Right, let's just leave that onto one side. Let's see this one. Do this one. Now this one, I'm just going to do the whole thing. I think I will go over it properly with some paint and then or do it with resin. I just got to be very careful because of that stupid bottom one. I'm going to go and find my paint. Back in a minute. I've got my black acrylic paint. Okay, so let's have a look. I know it's a mess at the back. Don't know. Don't know now. This is that one. That one looks nice. I like that one. That one I think I will definitely keep like that. Got to be careful because now I've heated it up, it's very bendy. Don't know. I suppose it is nice, isn't it? Yeah, I'll leave it. Leave it as that. It's got to cool back down again now. Back looks an absolute mess. What a mess. What a mess. What a mess. What a mess. Never mind. There goes the sellotape again. I tell you, this sellotape is alive. Everywhere I put it, it falls off. Feels like it's alive. Okay, so here and here I got bubbles. Big bubbles. And a bubble there. But other than that, I can't see any bubbles. But they don't notice so much this side, which is good. But I do like that. That bubble shows. Because that's the end where you put the string. I do like that. I like that a lot, actually. And I'm not a Christmas person, as such. I like all the glitz and the glitter, but I don't like it in my house. My daughter calls me the humbug. That's fine. I don't mind. Anyway, if you enjoyed that, please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever. Leave me a comment, and if you want to, and I'll get back to you. Give me hit the notification bell, and then you'll know that I've uploaded something. Share it if you think somebody else would like the idea that I've done or the mould I've got. These will be both off of Amazon. What else is there? Oh god, I can never remember. I always sidetrack and then forget what I'm saying. But yeah, share it, leave me a comment, thumbs up, hit the notification bell. Oh, and subscribe, the main one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It doesn't cost you anything. It's completely free, and it helps my channel to grow, so more people can hopefully see the mess I make. If you have subscribed, thank you very, very much. It means the world to me that you're actually here and you're watching. And I'd say there's a handful of people that literally will leave me a comment, and thank you so much to the ones who do. It means a lot to me that I know that people are actually watching it, because when I look at the analytics, what we call it, it says something like 100 of my subscribers have actually watched it, but there's only like 3 thumbs up or 6 thumbs up. So please give me a thumbs up. You know, show your love. Show I'm not completely nutty talking to myself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Ta-da!